Now it's close to be midnight. But Koje and Minjong is having the match now. Now it's 15 seconds game and more than 3,000 people are watching this game. Yeah. It's interesting. Okay, let me set up. Okay. Koje, the corner is captured now. It's really complicated trading now. How about this life and death? Yeah, here life and death is also not sure. Yeah, now is very, very complicated. Koje always prefer to play with the Minjong. Yeah, he accept Minjong is I think strong enough. Then he is accepting for practice game for him. Okay. When white jump and black has to play, I think he is thinking to move out here. How is the life and death here? Can Koje kill? I think if Koje cannot capture this group, then probably white will be better. He has to. Okay, how can he save now? Okay. He spent one more Boyomi. Now it's the two left to 2 times. Okay. What about the just answer here? He's thinking that ko is good enough for white. Answer. I think just tiger's mouth is not possible to say. Black will just yeah, he's made the ko. And how is the result if this is ko? But I don't think it's not exactly flower ko now. Yeah, even though corner is dead, black is also very thick. White, this group shouldn't be surrounded. And the problem is the ko strat. Where can he use the ko strat? Okay, I think Koje will answer for this. And capture and even black will. Yeah, local ko strat. Then white has to just think this group is dead and just need to play 2 times the other place. Okay, now it's really close. Now it's really midnight, 12 o'clock. Yeah, in this time they are playing on the internet. Okay. Doesn't answer and capture. This cool. Then that's okay. White can save. Koje is confident to make something. I think there has the wedge. So I think he wants to. But Atari is also sente. Black also need to be careful about that. Yeah, Atari. How about the wedge? He's reading for wedge, I think. Yeah, he has played Willy. Ignore again. Connect and cut this. Okay. What about here? Become white is dead. Cut here. It's one step ko. If white cut still there is a ko. I think Minjong has to play maybe block or stretch. Which one is better? Even this is hard. Seems just Tenuki again. Here has an insurance again. If this is dead, then I have no idea. Yeah. Okay, it's very fun. It's very exciting now. Tenuki again. Yeah. Then will he answer? Wow. It's cool now. He just wanna kill 2 stones. Then Koje may even Tenuki as well. Tesuji. Yeah, if white just hane, then yeah, this is sente, and then he wants to have a double hane, or just stretch and just asking exchange and hane. Normally, just double hane is common move. Yeah, and I think white will Atari this way. Then it's quite hard now when white Atari. I think he is also thinking how he has to switch. Yeah. Sorry. Okay, retrade again. It's so complicated. And block, and there is a ko. Yeah, Tetsuji again. Will he just stretch? Or Atari here again? Oh yeah, Hane, connect, and then connect. There is probably ko. Both sides is a ko, so not sure. Yeah, cut here, and then it's ko. Yeah, Koji also doesn't want to have any bad exchange here. These three stones may have a chance to move out later, after he win this ko. So he doesn't really want to touch there. Okay, what about... Oh, it's double ko. Okay. Then... Does Minjong just need to capture this? Which one is better between sides? Same side is better. Yeah, even here hasn't tidied yet. Now this corner is alive. But this group, it depends on black. If black plays here, he can save. Yeah. Okay, now even this corner is a big place, but here hasn't tidied yet. Where is his next to move? Okay, he just tenuki. Okay, Minjong thought now Ko is light, and he want to, I think maybe he will play the Kosumi. I don't think he will play here. Maybe corner, he will take care of the corner. He will, I think Kosumi seems suitable. Oh, nice move. Then he is accepting the Aji at the corner. Oh, what about this life right hand side? And they even there is the one step code. They both know that they don't have a time to play here. It's really complicated. Okay, I was expecting black is looking for the cutting here, but when he plays it, he really want to save here. Oh, Atari one time and just capture. Okay, Koje completed this. I think even Koje is looking for the Aji at the corner. Corner, probably there is Aji. Yeah. Still really hard. Yeah, he get it now, right? Oh, this is punishing the knight move. Then, will he push? Or knight move? Oh, just getting next move is difficult. This saving push. Ah, cutting. What about the information? Normally I remember that if I was expecting white to play here, maybe I think white has to play much active move. Is it ladder? Right now this is ladder. Oh, when he makes ladder, then when I think black wanna cut here. Yeah, they know this is ladder, probably. Yeah, now that he will exchange. Yeah. Capturing two stones are nothing. And then I remember that this one is not okay for white. The corner Aji is quite not clean. Oh, Koje just decided to retrade again. He just will handle the center. Okay, now white has to play around here. Two space jump. It seems good. Yeah. You need to reduce. Oh, he thought this is a biggest. Oh, still this group is no problem. Then I think black will play somewhere at the center. Maybe the large knight move. Yeah, here seems good. I think here looks bigger than this way, but maybe Minjong thought and that's better place. Ah, he after he gave, then he was looking for the handling the one step call. He want to break the center by handling the call. Oh, it's crazy game now. Judgment to who better is really not reasonable. Yeah, we don't have to do that. Just they are only getting the next move. Yeah, this is also one of... I think black need to capture. Can Koje handle? Maybe Koje may want to just attack, and then when he... Oh, he cannot accept this one. Yeah, because this is one step call. Still black... Yeah, black can earn the cool strat like this. Wow, even this is quite annoying. How does white have to answer? I really want to play here first. Yeah, like this. And here, black may not capture, black may continue here. Block. I think it seems black has to do that. Yeah, and the white has to... Oh, but here has Aji again, right? Yeah, black can probably... peep here. Peep is a bit annoying. Oh yeah, differently. Anyway, now Koje is looking for the connecting. It shouldn't be connect. Minjong really need to cut. Or what did he prepare? I think he really used a fantastic Tetsuji. Okay, Minjong has to really separate of them. Now it's not easy. I think white has to return, but black can just save this group. Wow, this connect was really good. Okay, what is next move? Ah, okay, black can save it. Okay, finally getting the core, but this group is separated. That's the problem. Oh, sorry. Maybe I will turn it off. Yeah. Yeah, he... Oh, capture. Oh, he capture and then when white cut and he re-getting the core. Wow, really? Then watch this. White can hane. What about the result here? Oh. Okay. If this is dead, then also is... maybe the point was not enough. Minjong just resigned. Wow. Maybe even though white saves here, he couldn't accept it in this area. Yeah, maybe here is too big. Wow, it was a crazy trading game. Oh, I really don't know which one was the mistake. Yeah, it was a very crazy game. Yeah, now it's really midnight and they have played one practice game. Okay, everybody, thank you so much for watching for this video. Black was Koje and the white was Minjong. Yeah, Minjong is a new face from Korea. Yeah, he is still very young. He is still a student, but he has got the champion before one of the competition. Yeah, the international competition. So he is really famous, and Koje is willing to accept the practice game against Minjong. Yeah. Please support both those players, everybody. Thank you so much for watching this video. And see you guys next time. Bye.